Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making chicken and chorizo pie. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy! Ingredients: 225 grams mixed veg, 650 grams diced chicken, 1 onion, 1 pepper, 100 grams chorizo, ready-made pastry. Dip your chorizo into a large pot and stir for about 2 minutes. Then remove and drain on kitchen paper. Add a little bit of oil to the pot. After that, add mixed veg, onion and pepper. Then cook for 5 minutes, then add diced chicken. Then mix for about 5 minutes until chicken is... After 5 minutes of mixing, add your chorizo. Then mix a bit more. Once you have mixed it a bit more, roll out your ready-made pastry on a tray. Then add your filling in a position like this. Make sure it has cooled down first. Make diagonal cuts, but not all the way to the ends. Then wrap it one strip from the left and one strip from the right so that they overlap. You should get something like this. Then put into oven until golden brown. Here is the final result.